We're going to learn about patterns. Yesterday, we sorted different types of cutlery, and we noticed something about the cutlery was the same. Every piece of cutlery has a handle. And then there were different things about the cutlery. Up the top, each piece of cutlery is different. This type of cutlery is a knife. This type of cutlery is a fork. And this type of cutlery is a spoon. We're going to make a pattern with these 3 different types of cutlery. Let's choose 2 for our first pattern. I'm going to choose a knife and a fork. So to make a pattern, I need to repeat knife, fork. Next is a knife, and then a fork. So I've repeated knife, fork, knife, fork. I'm going to do it again, repeating knife and fork. Knife, fork, knife, fork, knife, fork. Let's say it together. Knife, fork, knife, fork, knife, fork. Good job. Let's do another pattern. Let's start with a fork this time. Fork. And our second piece of cutlery is going to be a spoon. So we've got fork, spoon. We need to repeat this to make it a pattern. Next is a fork, and then a spoon. And repeating it again, fork, and then a spoon. So our pattern repeats, fork, spoon, fork, spoon, fork, spoon. Now I've given you some plastic cutlery. You've got some forks and some spoons and some knives, and you're going to copy this pattern in front of you now using the cutlery that you have. So find a fork and find a spoon to start your pattern. Put it in front of you. Good job. And then repeat the pattern with another fork and another spoon. And then one more time with another fork and another spoon. And your pattern is finished. Good job.